Hello, this is Lexi with Discount Fence, and I'm going to show you how to enter materials into an estimate on FenceCloud. Okay, so first we would go to Safari. There's the little compass down at the bottom in the bar. I have the FenceCloud page pinned, so this is what you see after you log in. We're going to scroll to the middle, tap Estimates. We're going to go to Lexi Taylor. Okay, and you see we have a site plan already made. Styles 60 foot and 0 gates. So we're going to go to 2, select materials. Okay, and for this we're going to enter vinyl and go down to Pro Length Vinyl for the estimating engine. And there are no pre-saved templates for this material type. So we would hit custom material specification. When that highlights in blue, go down to specify materials. And there we go. Lost the page. There we go. Okay, so it has fence height is 72 inches, an estimating engine color white. Now, if you click on one of these, you can choose your inches. It starts at 36 inches and goes to 72. We hit this one and it takes you through all the colors of vinyl that's in this estimating engine, but we're going to keep it at white. Okay, now we're going to go to the section button. Okay. On this page, we're going to pick out our panels for this. But as you can see, you can select section width, style, and fill color. But we're looking down through here, and I think I want a solid privacy fence. So we're going to select that. It's really important that you pay attention to the description on these. Okay, there are no options for rail stiffener, so we're going to select back to materials. And now we see that the panel section has been checked off. We're going to now go to post. Okay, for your in post, solid privacy. Solid privacy. For line post, solid privacy. And corner post, solid privacy. Okay. We're down to post caps, and for that I think I'm going to pick 5-inch white Gothic post caps. And you go to the line post stiffener, and there are no options for that, so I am going to click back to materials. And you see that there are multiple items under posts that have been selected. So now we're going to go to post footing. Here's where it gets a little complicated. For your end post, they want you to choose between footing types It'll be none, driven posts, bags of concrete, poured concrete, or base plate. For this, we're going to go bags of concrete. Okay. Okay, we're going to enter 1. Depth. 30 inches. And I'm just going to admit that I do not know the diameter, so I'm just going to pick something reasonable like 12. Hopefully somebody corrects me on that later, because I honestly would like to know. Okay, and you do the same thing for end post, line post, and corner post. So I'm just going to go through real quick. Okay, let's bags of concrete. Okay, and that one is bags of concrete. How many bags per post? I don't know that either, so I'm just picking 1. Okay, and we're going to go down to concrete. Oh. And it has either 40-pound bag of concrete, 60-pound bag of concrete, or 80-pound bag of concrete. They have truck poured concrete. And other concrete items. Okay, to keep it simple, we're going to select 40-pound bag of concrete. There's nothing under base plate, so we're going to go back to materials. And after we've finished this right here, you have an option under the actions menu to save as new materials template, so you can use that on other jobs. But for this, I'm going to click return to estimate. Okay, now you see under materials, height 72, color white, materials total $1,740.28. Now, all the materials are down here under items, and you have the option to edit an item. Let's say we want to edit the 40-pound bag of concrete because it has no price. Oh, okay. You can edit item for this estimate. The item quantity, item price, source number, part number, description. And once you're done editing that, you're going to click update item or remove item to remove it from this estimate. But we are not going to change anything. We're just going to click return to estimate. And that is how you add materials to an estimate. I hope you guys have a lovely afternoon, and I hope that this was helpful to you. Bye for now. Hello, it's Lexi again. It's one bit of information that you need to do your estimates, and that's adding scope of work notes and job description. Let's get back into FenceCloud. I already have the estimate page that we were last working on pulled up. So we're going to go down the page and you'll see items, documents, files, activity log, and options. You are going to select documents, and on this page you'll see two boxes. One for scope of work and one for document notes. Scope of work is basically where you would put your footage, your notes on the type of fence, and other general job notes that you need that the customer needs to see on the estimate. And under document notes, those are more so like personal notes that will be in the system. So anybody that pulls up that job will see those notes. And so as you can see, there's already text in the scope of work column. Total footage 60 feet, 9 sections, 2 terminal posts, and 6 line posts. That's the example. And for document notes, we'll just add something random. Okay, and you see right here at the top right of the document notes box, as I put in that text, it said notes saved. So you don't have to press save anywhere or anything like that. You should be able just to go back to documents and go to scope of notes, and you'll see your scope of work and you're not in your notes already in there. And that's all I needed to share with you. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.